Hello friends, today I shall be talking on the topic likelihood. So I'll start with the variable x. I start with the variable x, taking values 1, 2, 3 up to capital N. So x takes random values with the probabilities. We call it PMF, probability mass function for the discrete random variable. Probability x given the parameter theta equal to, say we are talking about binomial variable, so the PMF would be NCX theta to the power x 1 minus theta to the power n minus x, where x takes value 0, 1 up to n, and theta is the success probability between 0 less than equal to theta less than equal to 1. So this is called the PMF, or otherwise for a continuous variable we have the PDF f x given, say, sigma square, given the parameter theta equal to, say, normal variate 1 by root 2 pi sigma e to the power minus half x minus mu by sigma whole square, where x takes value in the real line and our parameter theta is the vector of mu sigma square. So this is called PDF, probability mass function or probability density function. The likelihood, suppose we have done an experiment for the binomial part and we observe number of, we threw n coins and we observed number of heads to be 5. Now the likelihood is the same function where we fix the data. We try to learn from the data. We fix the data to 5 and make theta as the argument, L theta given x. So in probability function we have the unknown theta, but theta is fixed and we see it as a function of the variable x. But after the experiment we got some data. Now we fix the data x equal to x and see it as a function of theta. So this is known as the likelihood. The concept is introduced by Professor R.A. Fisher of England. He talks about the MLE. So this is the use of likelihood. Theta hat MLE is maximize over theta the likelihood L theta given x. Here x is fixed and we are maximizing, we are looking at the mass function or the density function as a function of theta, and L, we are maximizing likelihood of theta given x over theta. So given the data, what is the value of x, what is the value of theta that maximize the likelihood? That is the definition of maximum likelihood estimator. So for binomial and normal, our our theta hat MLE of mu or theta of mu turns out to be x bar. So this is the application of likelihood. There is application in Bayesian statistics also. So if we talk about Bayesian statistics, if we think about Bayesian statistics, when we learn from the data the posterior of theta given x is equal to likelihood of theta x into the prior of theta. Now in IID case, suppose we have several variates. We have a random sample x1, x2, xn following IID with some distribution f x theta, then the likelihood is defined as L theta x, which is the product of I equal to 1 to n f xi theta. For mathematical convenience, we use log likelihood. Which is log of L theta x, and we denote it by small l of theta. This is for mathematical convenience, and log is a monotone function, so when we maximize the likelihood, it is same as maximize the log likelihood and find theta. So this is all about likelihood I had to say. I'll stop here. Thank you.